Hello and welcome back to Strategic Command World War II Volume multiplayer versus Rannug61. He's the Axis, just conquered France before I was able to evacuate the units as I planned. Very bad, but well. And now he's shuffling his troops to the east, I guess. And well, I cannot remember the date, but soon the Africa Corps should arrive. Yeah, that looks like troop movements. I mean, he got 3 paratroops, which is scary, considering a possible sea line. But I do not think that he is going to do it. And if so, as I already said, we should be well off. All right. What's the research on the next level tanks? It takes a lot of time still. That's the flak AA gun, and that's another tank. What I do not want to do is attack prematurely. And what I mean by that is, before I'm actually able to kill someone. If I run up front, hit him, damage him, and then he's able to retreat, then I won nearly nothing. So I will try to avoid that. But I can already assemble the troops. Okay, I should have put the tank forward. Keep the carriers at the ready. Okay. I almost feared that he might have left or something. I hope silent mode counts as blockading him. I don't know. I could, even though I just said I don't want that. Well, I could at least take a sneak peek. No, he's not got infantry weapons as of yet. Okay, then I will advance. It's probably gonna hurt the core. But why do I do this? I want to blockade the city, so I hope he cannot push him back, so he will get blockaded. And if this works as well, then he loses, or he's gonna have very, very bad supply. All right, the last carrier. Maybe that's a bit risky. I don't know. The bomber is not a lot, or not very helpful. So as of right now, because I don't have any research in ground attack weapons. Oh, of course I need to research infantry tech too, and then the money is gone. I'm actually unsure. I think I will put the HQ up here, so to minimize the risk of him dropping powers and just instantly killing it. That would be quite bad. Okay. Now let's see if someone's here. No, there is not. Of course, he should get some repairs sooner or later. Maybe better sooner. Oh, man. Am I actually researching anti-sub? Yeah. Oh, soon. So now I'm trying to put some meat in here so that I will at least notice when he tries to annoy me. Actually, I do not want him to plunder because he's stealing my XP. Or not my XP, the XP of the others. He's got... maybe I should take him back. Next round. As I said, I'm really looking forward to level 2-star experience, guys. It should be nice. Alright, you and you go here because... Oh, am I wrong? No, it should be ready pretty soon. Actually, I need one more. So then he cannot go up here unnoticed, so I don't have to guard this. And then the rest of you guys goes up here. I just hope that he has not already sailed his fleet out. But we will see. So as soon as we get the anti-submarine tech, we can upgrade those. Yeah, then the money is spent with the British. And the US gets the next industry check. And then I should probably very soon start researching the real stuff. Oh, man. I'm really thinking of disbanding a corps just to get the research for the intelligence started. I think I said it already, but I really don't know. I think you get some benefits if an ally has a lower intelligence level but higher tech level in some stuff, then you are faster, and if you're higher than the enemy, you kind of slow them down. I don't know, but there are some things that make it worthwhile to tech this. At least that's what I want to believe. I wonder if I get a message once the Africa Corps arrives. Where can I go? I can go here. Alright, so it's just one single hex missing, so if I go here I can unload on this harbor, or at least take a peek what's there. Alright, then on to the Russian front. Okay, they get infantry warfare soon, that's very good. Should probably also maybe wait for one research of this one. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Okay, they finished. It's pretty expensive to shuffle them around, yeah. Where do I want them? I mean, Smolensk is not bad. In my experience, it's pretty annoying for the Germans if this line is occupied and well fortified to go through. So I could put him there, and of course here just 2 fortifications are also really great. But I guess I'll put one just here, in front of Smolensk. Yeah, then I wait for some more money. Moved all the ships. I could move this Canadian Corps. I might move it to... Oh, it's insanely expensive because I don't have any one logistics research. No, I'm not gonna do it. In case he invades Britain, which I really do not think he will do. I can still have him over here in like, I think 2 turns. Yeah. So I guess I'll end the round. And the last carrier is on his way to the Red Sea. And we get anti-submarine warfare and infantry warfare. Very good. The US get heavy bombers, and the Soviets get infantry warfare 1. Ah, okay. And so now I need 200 just for the next level. It's some more rounds of waiting, I guess. So I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.